Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best no-sodium baking powder is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked ingredients in any home baker's pantry, especially for those mindful of their sodium intake. This versatile leavening agent works wonders in creating light, fluffy baked goods without the added salt, making it a fantastic choice for individuals managing blood pressure or following specific dietary plans. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies, cakes, or quick breads, ensuring you have a reliable no-sodium baking powder means you can enjoy your favorite treats with peace of mind, knowing you're making a healthier choice without compromising on taste or texture. Number 5. Naked PB2LB Powdered Peanut Butter. Discover the simple goodness of our powdered peanut butter. Made with just one ingredient, it's a wholesome choice for your pantry. Sourced from farms right here in the US, this bulk-sized option brings you quality you can trust. Enjoy the natural taste of roasted peanuts. We believe in keeping things pure. That's why it's made with only roasted peanuts, offering a clean and delicious flavor. Perfect for everyone, it's completely vegan and free from any unwanted additives. You won't find any preservatives, salt, or sugar here. With 76 servings in every container, you'll have plenty to enjoy. It's a versatile ingredient that fits perfectly into your healthy lifestyle. Experience the unadulterated taste of peanuts with Naked PB. It's the pure, simple, and delicious choice for peanut butter lovers. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you're looking for a pure peanut butter experience. With only one ingredient, roasted peanuts, it's perfect for those who want to avoid any hidden sugars or preservatives. If you prioritize a clean label and a versatile bulk product, this is the one for you. What people say. Naked PB is great because it has absolutely no extra ingredients, just roasted peanuts. No sugar, salt, or additives, so you know it's clean. It mixes well with my protein shakes without clumping. This is good stuff. Ingredient list is as simple as it gets. No nonsense. Taste is pretty neutral but distinctly peanut. No sugars or sweetener, which is ideal. Number 4. Nature's Sodium Bicarbonate Organic Baking Soda. Discover the natural goodness of our organic baking soda. It's a pure, aluminum-free choice for your home and wellness needs. Experience the difference with our aluminum-free formula. We believe in providing you with the purest ingredients for a healthier lifestyle. Incorporate this versatile powder into your health and wellness routine. It's a simple, natural way to support your well-being. Each 1-pound package contains high-quality sodium bicarbonate. Enjoy the benefits of this natural ingredient in a convenient size. Our commitment is to purity. This baking soda powder is made with no chemical additives, ensuring you get only the best. What we like. Consider this if you're seeking a natural and organic baking soda. Its aluminum-free and pure formulation makes it ideal for health-conscious individuals. If you prioritize organic ingredients and a clean product for your wellness routine, this is a great choice. What people say. Works well for alkalinity. Easy to use, no smell, small adjustment to tiny taste. I can't taste it at all, very clean. This is a very fine baking soda. Food grade and pure. Number 3. Bragg Premium Nutritional Yeast Seasoning. Discover the delicious, cheesy flavor of Bragg's Premium Nutritional Yeast Seasoning. It's the perfect way to add a savory, Parmesan-like taste to any dish. Enjoy guilt-free seasoning with this vegan and gluten-free option. It's a fantastic choice for those with dietary restrictions or anyone seeking healthier alternatives. Not only does it taste great, but it's also a good source of protein and essential B vitamins. Boost your nutrition while enhancing your meals. Craving that cheesy, umami flavor? This seasoning offers a delightful, nutritious substitute for Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle it on pasta, popcorn, salads, and more. Experience the original, versatile flavor in a convenient 12-ounce pack. It's the perfect pantry staple for adding a unique zest to your culinary creations. What we like. This is a must-try for vegans or anyone looking to reduce dairy intake. It offers a delicious savory flavor that mimics Parmesan cheese, while also providing essential protein and vitamins. If you enjoy experimenting with plant-based ingredients to enhance your meals, this is a perfect fit. What people say. Bragg Nutritional Yeast has a nutty cheesy flavor and can be used on soup, salads, pasta, popcorn, and other foods. It contains B vitamins and complete protein. Love that it's sodium-free and, packed with B vitamins, goes great with all your meals. Nutritional yeast contains all 9 essential amino acids that you must obtain from food. It's also a source of high-quality plant protein. Number 2. Red Seal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. Discover a natural way to care for your teeth. This toothpaste offers a unique herbal and mineral formula for a refreshing clean. Harnessing the power of baking soda, it gently cleans and brightens your smile. Experience a naturally effective clean with every brush. We believe in kindness to all. That's why our toothpaste is proudly vegan-friendly and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. Say goodbye to SLS and parabens. Our formula is free from artificial flavors and harsh chemicals, ensuring a pure and gentle experience. Rest assured with Nature's certification, guaranteeing natural ingredients you can trust. It's nature's best for your oral health. Struggling with dry mouth? This toothpaste provides soothing relief, helping to restore moisture and comfort for a healthier mouth. What we like? If you're searching for a toothpaste that aligns with natural oral care, this is it. Its fluoride-free and vegan-friendly formula is great for those with sensitivities or who prefer natural products. If you experience dry mouth or want a certified natural toothpaste, this product is an excellent selection. What people say. My teeth do feel cleaner, and I've noticed a slight lifting of stains after only a week of using this toothpaste. The baking soda is just right and not irritating, so that's a plus for sensitive teeth and gums. Fluoride-free. Whitens teeth over time. Tastes good, not overpowering. I love the fresh feeling, and it makes my teeth feel really clean. Probably my favorite non-fluoride toothpaste I've tried. Number 1. Nutricost Pantry Baking Soda, 1 lb. Introducing Nutricost Pantry Baking Soda, your go-to solution for a multitude of household needs. This 1 lb package offers exceptional value and purity. Elevate your baking with our premium baking soda. It's the essential ingredient for achieving perfectly leavened cakes, cookies, and breads every time. Tackle tough messes with ease. Its natural abrasive properties make it a fantastic choice for scrubbing surfaces and removing stubborn grime without harsh chemicals. Keep your home smelling fresh. Simply place an open box in your fridge or sprinkle it in trash cans to effectively neutralize odors. Beyond baking and cleaning, it's useful for laundry boosts, personal care, and countless other DIY projects. Discover its full potential in your home. Nutricost is committed to providing high-quality, affordable products. You can rely on our baking soda for consistent performance and purity. What we like? This is your go-to if you need a reliable and versatile baking soda for various household needs. It's perfect for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing, making it a true pantry staple. If you appreciate a cost-effective and multifunctional product for everyday use, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. It's versatile and works well for baking, cleaning, deodorizing, and more. The quality is consistent and it dissolves easily. The container is large, well-sealed, and easy to store in the kitchen. I've used it for everything: baking, cleaning, deodorizing, and even for my pets, and it works perfectly every time. It's pure, fresh, and you can tell the quality is excellent compared to some other brands. Used this to clean my oven, worked like a charm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.